What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. I am Letitia and this is That's So Letitia. For today's video, what I'm going to be doing is sharing with you guys my new current updated skincare routine, as well as tell you why some of these products are my absolute favorite at the moment. I know some of you guys who watch my videos are probably saying, well, you did this already, and yes, I did. However, what I'm finding that works best for my skin is if every so often I kind of switch up some of the products that I am using, just so my skin does not get to that plateau where I no longer get the benefits or the results out of the products I'm using that I desire. With that being said, let's get into the products. So the brand that I am currently using and very much so obsessed with is none other than Sunday Riley. This is it. This is the Sunday Riley kit that I am currently using, obsessing with, and in love with, and here is why. This is their complete Wake Up With Me skincare routine. For a lot of people out there that want to get into skincare, maybe you're currently using skincare products, but as we all know, with so much information, so many different products and so many different opinions, it can be overwhelming. A lot of times we end up over purchasing and then we're afraid to use the products because we don't know if they're safe to use together, if it makes sense for them to go together, or if we just shouldn't use them at all. With this particular kit, they have took the guesswork out of all of that because each product in this kit is designed to actually go together. So let's just kind of get into these products. So this kit itself, you actually can purchase at SundayRiley.com, Ulta, as well as Sephora carries it. And you can even purchase it through Sephora.com and Ulta.com. The complete cost for this total kit itself retails at about $95 before taxes. It's an amazing value. Let me just tell you why. If I'm going to invest in my skin, if I'm going to invest in my skincare products, then I want to go for products that I know will actually give me the results that I desire if I stay consistent with using the products. And that is exactly what this kit is doing for me. If I open it up, these are all the products that you get. First product would be their cleanser. Who does not need a cleanser, right? And this is called their, hopefully you guys can see, it's called their Ceramic Slip Cleanser. This one is a gentle plant-based cleanser which helps to pull out impurities in your skin while pulling in clean, supple hydration. We love a good hydration. Whether you have oily skin, dry skin, combo skin, or regular or normal skin, hydration is key. It helps to keep the skin supple. It helps to keep the skin more radiant and more youthful. Usually after a good cleansing is when we move on to our toners, or in this case, an essence. And this is their essence. It is called Pink Drink, which I think is such a cute name and very appropriate because it's pink. It has watermelon extract in it. And this one has firming peptides in it, which are amino acids, which kind of helps the skin to produce more collagen. It has fermented honey, pink yeast filtrate, and apricot. So we would just spray the Pink Drink essence onto the face after blotting dry our face from using the Ceramic Slip Cleanser. And then of course we would be moving on to our serums. The serum for this particular kit, and one of their most highly requested and very favorite serums, is called CEO. This is a 15% vitamin C concentrate brightening serum. Here's the thing, a lot of skincare products out there boast that they have vitamin C extract or some sort of vitamin C complex in them. Not many have 15%. That is a huge deal. That amount lets you know that exactly what that product states it's going to do, it's going to do with consistent use. Now, this one actually helps to brighten the complexion, giving a more youthful, clear complexion. Vitamin C is great for removing the signs of aging due to dark spots, hyperpigmentation, acne scars, and things of that nature. So that is exactly what this one does, and it does it well, and it does it fast. So anytime you use any sort of brightening agent or any sort of skincare product that has any sort of glycolic acid, lactic acid in it, things of that nature, you always want to follow up with using an SPF to protect your skin, because now it's more vulnerable to the effects of the sun and of UV rays. Just saying. Then next I use what is called their CEO Glow. This too is a vitamin C oil mixed with turmeric. Isn't that amazing? Now, turmeric a lot of people use as a natural skincare agent, which also helps to brighten the skin as well. And turmeric has some healing qualities to it and benefits as well. So that is what this guy is. So this is a brightening, hydrating, and glowing oil that you actually can use in conjunction with the CEO Vitamin C Serum to give you that extra boost of bright, radiant skin. And then next we would move on to, which is one of my absolute favorite products from Sunday Riley. This one is pretty much known to Sunday Riley and those who have been using her products since inception as the OG of Sunday Riley. This is called their Good Genes. It is a lactic acid treatment which helps to exfoliate dull, pore clogging dead skin cells, to instantly clarify and give a more youthful, radiant complexion. This is a very gentle exfoliant. I say gentle because long gone are the exfoliators that we would buy that would have like the grit and the little like particles of pumice stone in them, which would then leave us with like micro tears in skin, and you would use products after that and it would burn, or you would wonder why sometimes you would have like small bits of scarring on the skin, especially if you applied it too rough. Yeah, this product has eliminated the need for those sort of harsh, abrasive exfoliators. It's very gentle on the skin. I use it with amazing results. I had, or at least I used to have, like a line here that kind of gave more or less the appearance that I had like not quite a 5 o'clock shadow, but you could definitely see that it was much darker down here as opposed to my the upper portion of my face. A lot of that has really kind of went away with me using these products, which is why I boast about them and I'm so excited to use them, because I'm actually seeing the effects from these products work on my face. I'm not just talking about it, but I'm actually using it and I'm reaping the benefits from using these products. So last in my morning routine, which I do every morning before I get ready to go to work, or even if I'm just staying at home, I feel so obligated to use these products because they actually work, would be our eye cream. Like, we need a good eye cream, right? Especially if you have any sort of puffiness, signs of aging, like maybe some fine lines or wrinkles coming into your under eye area. This is called their Autocorrect, and this is a anti-puffing, brightening eye contour cream. We love a good contour. I'm sure y'all can agree with me. We love a good contour. So to get that sort of verbiage in a cream that is designed to eradicate the signs of aging and tiredness in the eyes is a double bonus benefit. So you basically would just apply this to your ring finger ever so lightly, dab it in, allow it to dry, and let it do its thing. And then outside of that, because now we're done with our skincare for the day, we're ready to rock and roll, whether that's put on makeup on top of it, lounge around the house, or for some of us, even lay back down, get a little bit more rest. What I highly suggest you do, and I do it myself on a daily basis, after applying all of these products, please follow up with the SPF. This is my favorite. I've been using it for 2 years. I don't see that stopping anytime soon. This is going to help to protect your complexion. This is going to help to protect your skin from the signs of aging, from the sun kind of getting into where you applied that lactic acid, that glycolic acid, and all those brightening agents. This is going to protect your investment. Please, guys, if you use any sort of skincare products, even if it's not Sunday Riley, make sure you seal in and protect your skin with a good SPF. This one does not leave any sort of white streaks, doesn't leave you looking like a purple people eater with that film that a lot of SPFs have. It goes on white and leaves clear. So yeah, that is that for my skincare routine. Just wanted to share with you guys some of the stuff that I use because, like I said, I get asked so often, what am I using on my face? And most of the time, I have absolutely no makeup on other than if I'm doing my brows that day, which I typically never leave the house without doing. And yeah, that's it. So I got this one in the mail. I actually purchased it through SundayRiley.com, and they gave me some cute freebies as well. They gave me this reusable padded Ziploc that I could actually store some of my Sunday Riley products in. And let's see what goodies I have in here. So they gave me an auto correct, which is the depuffing eye contour cream. They gave me a sample of A+, which is one of their high dose, use only at night please, retinoid serums, and a UFO ultra clarifying acne treatment face oil. They actually have an entire line dedicated to acne and acne prone skin. I would definitely suggest looking into that, even if you have like teens at home, if you're a teen yourself, or if you just deal with acne regardless of your age. I would definitely suggest looking into that line. I've heard really great results and testimonies about using that line. They also gave me another little set of samples. They love their customers. I mean, the samples are plenty. Let's see, what else did they give me? Okay, so they gave me Good Genes, which I obviously will be using. And they gave me CEO Rich Hydration Vitamin C Cream. This one has 5% advanced vitamin C in it. This is another one of their CEO products. And they gave me a sample of their ceramic slip cleanser. So that is pretty cool. And yeah, again guys, that is pretty much all I have for this video. Like, share, comment. As always, in that box below down there, I am going to include links to where you guys can purchase these products. Just kind of look them up for yourselves and see if maybe there's 1 or 2 items that you could possibly use in your current skincare routine. And let me know in the comments, have you ever used Sunday Riley? Did it work for you? What do you think about this brand in general? Yeah, and as always guys, until next time, because they are now cutting the grass outside, that means it's a wrap. We shall chat again.